This is how we jive mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In these, when I'm going to show you how I can fix a black screen of dead computer. If your computer is not working, we're going to try some troubleshooting on this. This is one Acer notebook we have here and is not starting anymore. Let's open it. I'm gonna hit the power button here. Let's see, it has a power button this side, so I'm gonna hit the power button. It's not starting anymore. So if this is not working for you, what you have to do, you have to hold the power button few seconds, connect to the charger, it may work. If this step doesn't work for you, so what you can do in this case, you have to take out the RAM. So I'm gonna take the back cover of this notebook and we'll check the RAM. This side as well, a little bit more. It's coming out so gently, you see, so good. Here is the battery, this part 4 pack of battery here. So we'll go to RAM here. Underneath this pack we have a RAM here. Only one RAM slot in this computer. Take this off from metal. Here is the RAM. We have to take a paper, could be tissue paper, something as this. You have to clean the RAM. Clean properly, don't touch at the metal, put back the RAM. It's gonna work. It's gonna work after that for sure most of the time. If it's not working, then you have some problem with the power port or other places. Could have problem with your charger, maybe your charger is not working, so you have to try with a new charger or ask somebody who has similar notebook to try with other charger if it's working or not, guys. So these are the fix you can do if your notebook is not turning on in the year 2025. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye.